Assalamualaikum guys and welcome back to Celestial Queen channel and today we're going to play Sunday Stairway। हाँ मुझे पता है नाम बहुत अजीब है, मैं भी यही सोच रही थी, लेकिन हाँ हम ये खेलने वाले हैं। और इस गेम के बारे में मुझे ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं पता, जैसे कि मेंटल हेल्थ के बारे में भी इतना नहीं पता था, पर मुझे इतना पता है कि उधर एक बच्चा रहता है, उधर नहीं मतलब गेम के अंदर एक बच्चा है और वो किसी शहर में रहता है जहाँ ये सब हो रहा है। तो चलो देखते हैं। पूरी स्टोरी मुझे बिल्कुल भी नहीं पता, ये भी मैंने पता नहीं कहाँ से सुन लिया, तो चलो देखते हैं। तो चलो शुरू करते हैं, प्ले करते हैं पहले। प्ले इट, एक सेकंड। हाँ वैसे बच्चा कितना क्यूट है, वैसे अभी मुझे नहीं पता बच्चा है बच्ची। चलो प्ले करते हैं, इजी पे रखते हैं पहले तो। एपिसोड 1 पार्ट 1। ओके, वेलकम संडे। ठीक है, अच्छा। क्वेश्चन मार्क्स। Hey Sunday, wake up, we're going arrive soon. We're going to arrive soon तो सुना था वैसे। ओ आगे कर दिया गलती से। I'm so tired. ये थोड़ा हल्के नहीं चल रहा है रो। Sunday, do we really have to move, mom? अच्छा तो मेरे ख्याल से वो मॉम है इसकी। मंडे, we're already explained it to you darling. मॉम अच्छी है। अरे एरो नहीं चलता यार। मंडे, your father got a job in this city, it will only be for this year. अच्छा तो सिर्फ इसी साल के लिए इसके फादर को जॉब मिली है इधर की। और मंडे, cheer up and good humor my little Sunday. हमें अच्छी लग रही है हमारी। अरे फिर से फंस गया। चलो मंडे, you don't want to make your father angry. हाँ वैसे पापास को एंग्री नहीं करना चाहिए, पापास। अच्छा, his blow from last time still hurt, I don't want to make him angry again. पापा हमारे एग्रेसिव हैं शायद, मैं ऐसे कर लेती हूँ। Monday, he's a bit aggressive sometimes but he apologized, right? Sunday, sometimes. Friday, quiet back, your noise bother me. ये थोड़ा मूडी टाइप है। और ये कौन है बाय द वे, आपका भाई या कौन? Monday, it's okay. Monday, we'll be arrived in a few minutes, listen to some music and eat something in the meantime. Sunday, okay. Sunday, always the music isolating me from the discussions. Sunday, great, ran out of battery. बैटरी खत्म हो गई। फिर Sunday, and I also ran out of sweets. कुछ खरीद लो। Sunday, hey father, can I turn on the radio? Friday, अच्छा Friday father है, okay. If you shut up with that, yeah sure. और मीन फादर नहीं है हमारे, वो भी फ्राइडे ना रख के। Radio, today's weather for Calendar City is 15 degrees, a cloud sky is forecast with chances of drizzle. Radio, don't forget to leave the house with something to keep warm. Sunday, warm huh? Sunday, that announcer has a very nice tone of voice. Radio, breaking news, the police have just found a body in a house on Templada Street. ये अच्छी बातें हैं। Radio, they report that the state of the body is quite strange. The body part seems to have been पढ़ तो लिया ही होगा। Radio, the cause of this must be a psychopath. However, only the victim's fingerprints have been found and they seem to be alone at home. It could have been Radio, the police will continue to investigate and will keep you informed with this case. Friday, bah, pure rubbish. The media are only dedicated to reporting tragedies. Sunday, what a first impression of the area. At first glance, it seems like a quiet place. Oh, that cloud is heart-shaped. It looked like it even has a little wings. बाकी बच्चा है ये. शक नहीं था लेकिन यकीन अब मजीद हो गया है. Sunday, how pretty. I wonder if you're seeing it too, June. June? Week से सीधा months पे आ गए हम. I'll send you a letter when everything is organized in the new house. June कौन है? It hasn't been long since I stopped seeing you, but I already missed you. June. Some minutes later, we finally arrived. I hope my room is not so small. I hope that too. क्योंकि मुझे भी बड़े-बड़े rooms ही अच्छे लगते हैं वैसे. Friday, Sunday, help me by taking these boxes to the entrance of the house. Sunday, I'm coming. Friday, hurry up. We have a lot to order. अच्छा अगर वैसे भी ये मूडी नहीं भी हो रहा ना या रूट नहीं हो रहा तो मेरी आवाज ही इसके लिए ऐसी निकलनी है. Sunday, this will be exhausting. Yeah, it would. चलो भाई, हमारा प्लेयर चलने लगा है जो कि अभी चल नहीं रहा है. पता नहीं. चल जाओ. Excuse me. मेरा कीबोर्ड वर्किंग कर रहा है ये वाकई नहीं चल रहा. चलो अब चल रहे. Let's see, यही है क्या हमारा घर? Oh, a few long and exhausting hours later. Sunday. So tomorrow I'll start going to that new school. Monday. Yes, I'll leave the money for the bus and lunch on your nightstand. I'm sure you'll be fine. Oof, मेरे कान फट रहे हैं. बहुत तेज आवाज है. I'm not sure. I don't know anyone. Sunday बोल रहा है ये. Sunday. And I'm not good at making friends. वो तो खैर बचपन में सभी नहीं होते शन. I don't know. Monday. Cheer up, honey. You will surely have a good year. Monday. Now rest. You need to start the year on the right foot. Foot था ना? हाँ. Sunday. It's okay. Monday. Good night, Sunday. I love you. Sunday. Good night, Mom. Sunday. I felt like Mom's voice was about to break. Is she okay? Lately I feel that despite her smile inside, she is crying. बच्चा समझदार है. Dad is someone very aggressive and angry. I hope he doesn't do anything to her. I still remember that days when they smiled. Please, Dad, don't do anything to her. Please. Sunday puts on his headphones and closes his eyes to sleep. Sunday's parents used to argue at night, so he preferred to avoid hearing all of that. ये बच्चे की सहनत से काफ़ी बुरा असर पड़ता है जब पेरेंट्स ऐसे हो जाएं. He was just concentrating on the music while hugging his favorite plush. Sunday just wanted to sleep peacefully. Meanwhile, you are a failure. Look how far we have to go to have a decent life. Monday, you wouldn't have been fired from that other steady job if you weren't a lazy drunk. Oh God. Monday, look what our son has to go through now. Friday, shut up, Monday. It's not even that serious. He's a man. He will know how to adapt. Friday. And about the other thing, you always say that the same thing. You never support me. If everything I do for you is wrong, then you can leave before I kick you out. Ouch. Yeah. Monday. Wouldn't you like that? Beat me to the ground like last time. मेरी आवाज़ अंदर ही रह गई पढ़ने के बाद. Monday. You even hit him to the point of causing injuries. Were you crazy? देखो वैसे जो मतलब ऐसी हरकतें करते हैं तो वो फिर ऐसी हो जाते हैं यार मारपीट वाले. Friday. He is a crying child who did not shut up. He must learn that men do not cry. बहुत बुरा सेंटेंस लगता है मुझे ये. That man do not cry. क्यों? मैन इंसान नहीं होता. मैन के पास दिल नहीं होता. Friday. He is already 14 years old. अच्छा बच्चा 14 years old है by the way. He has to hide his emotions. Crying only makes him weaker. Society will treat you like dirt if he shows weakness. Show weakness. Monday, please, let's not continue with this. My blood pressure is rising. Uh-oh. Monday, I feel chills. Hold me, Friday. Friday, only if you calm down like that. You're always with your stupid dramas. बहुत ही बुरा बंदा है वैसे असल में तो मुझे भी नहीं पता, लेकिन जिस तरह ये हरकतें कर रहा है और जिस तरह हमें स्टोरी बता रही है उस हिसाब से तो फिर यही है. Monday, please Friday, don't leave me. I want to be with you. Monday, hit me if you like that. Sleep with other if you want, but don't leave me. मेरा दिमाग हिल रहा है ये सब पढ़ के. Friday, ... Oh, you're freaking out, Monday. Freak के साथ freaking out ही होना चाहिए था उसे. I want to die. Excuse me. पढ़ के मैं खुद ही पीछे हो गई पूरी. चिल्स पड़े मुझे बहुत. अच्छा, Sunday. Mom. Monday, sniff. Monday रो रहा है मेरे ख्याल से. Monday रो रही है मेरे ख्याल से. बहुत कंफ्यूजिंग है. संडे, मंडे और सीधा फ्राइडे. सच्ची बात है, मैंने जो थर्सडे नहीं है वरना मजीद कंफ्यूजन हो जाती. Those cries. What will have happened? हैं? अगर ये है तो फिर वो ये क्या? पंखा अच्छा है वैसे. पंखा नहीं है, लाइट है वैसे. ये क्या हो रहा है? बच्चा तो वहाँ लेटा हुआ है. हेलो बच्चे. नहीं हिल रहा बच्चा. ओहो, कहाँ चला गया? इसके पास जाओ भाई, इसको जगाओ इसे. नहीं जाग रहा. चलो कोई बात नहीं. क्या हुआ? डायरेक्ट बाहर ही चलेगा हम तो. ओ Monday, sniff. Sunday, yes, it's mom. Sunday, why is she crying? Monday, question marks. Monday, is anyone there? How strange, there is no one. Sunday, she can't see me, this must be a dream. Monday, it's that you, Sunday, I can feel you close. Ah, Friday was right, I'm freaking out. Sniff. Like that. Acha. Monday, because I hate him, I want to get away from him and take my son with me. Ever since he hit Sunday, spelling mistake हो गई होगी. Ever since he hit me, he's not the same. भाई जब बंदा ये हिट और इन चीज़ों पे आ जाए तो फिर वो सेम वैसे भी नहीं रहता. ठीक है. Monday, but nevertheless, if we leave, I don't know where we would go. Monday, I don't want to make the same mistake as my mother. Oh, I don't know what to do. I feel so pathetic. Sniff. I must be with Friday, yes or yes, enduring each of his blows. Oh no, I don't know. I don't understand myself. पर मैं तुम्हें बहुत अच्छे से understand कर पा रही हूँ. For sense, you know. I'm scared. I just want to cry. अरे अभी भी तो रो ही रही हो. Sunday, mom. यार तो सैड सी स्टोरी है यार. मुझे थोड़ा गिल्ट हो रहा है ये खेलने पे, क्योंकि मैं सोच रही थी मैं कोई मतलब हॉरर प्लस इंजॉयमेंट गेम खेलने वाली हूँ, लेकिन मुझे नहीं पता था कि ये थोड़ा सैड हो जाएगा सब माहौल. अच्छा, ट्रैजिक मंडे. चलो देखते हैं. बीप. हाँ अच्छा, अलार्म. Sunday, 7 a.m. That strange dream yesterday did not let me rest well. मेरे ख्याल से ये ड्रीम नहीं थी. Time to go to new school. How lazy. What if I miss? आप जितनी देर में सब कुछ बोल रहे इससे अच्छा आप जाओ, कपड़े वपड़े पहनो, यूनिफॉर्म वगैरह, ब्रेकफास्ट करो और चले जाओ जल्दी से. Not even thinking about it. My parents have too many problems to cause them a few more with my absence. ये बात तो है. बच्चा समझदार है यार वैसे. Sunday, I need to get the money mom left for the bus and lunch. Okay. ऐसे कितने क्यूट लग रहे हैं ना. Monday, good morning honey, here's your breakfast. Sunday, good morning mother. Since you left me the money upstairs, I thought you wouldn't be there. Monday, I just did it so I don't have to count the money now. Hehe. I prepared mazamora morada with cinnamon and apple pieces. Your favorite sweet. Okay, ये sweet सिखाता है क्या? Sunday, great. Glug glug. What is glug glug? मेरे ख्याल से खा रहे हैं. हाँ. Sunday, it was delicious. Thanks for the food. Yes, he was eating. Sunday, it's about time. See you in the afternoon. Monday, good luck in school, Sunday. ठीक है, go to the bus stop. Bus stop. Bus stop. मुझे नहीं पता कहाँ है bus stop. मैं रोड पे नहीं चलूँगी, ऐसे स्ट्रीट पे चलते हैं. तो जा सकती हूँ क्या? छोड़ो. चलो चलो. बस स्टॉप कहाँ है? हाँ, आ गया. Sunday, the bus is already coming. I hope to find a good seat. Ouch. बहुत तेज आवाज आई है मुझे हेडफोन में. मेरी आवाज थोड़ी तेज हुई है, मेरी नहीं, हेडफोन की. Dot dot dot. Sunday, what was that bad feeling? Bad feeling? Bad sound था भाई. It sounded like mom. Oh, the bus is almost here. Get on the bus. देखो, अगर मैं अपने ऊपर रखूँ ना तो मैं वापस जाती. तो get on the bus. No. चलो वापस चलो. वापस 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 वापस. अपनी मॉम को ऐसे नहीं छोड़ सकते यार. मैं बता रही ना, अपने ऊपर रखती मैं तो मैं वापस जाती जरूर. As he crosses the door, Sunday finds his mother crying, kneeling on the floor with a shard of glass in her hand. There were several broken dishes all over the carpet. Seeing her young son return homeward, Mom, क्या था? I'm sorry, Sunday. कोई मुझे बताना पसंद करेगा कि ये क्या हुआ है? क्या हुआ कर रही हूँ मैं? क्या हुआ है? चलो, एपिसोड 2 पार्ट 1 ट्रैजिक मंडे. चलो वहीं पर जाके देखते हैं कि क्या हुआ है. तो गाइस, हम लोग वापस आ चुके हैं उसी पॉइंट पे जहाँ पर हमसे ये पूछा जाएगा कि मतलब बस में बैठना है या नहीं बैठना. जब हमारी मॉम की चीख की आवाज़ आती है. तो चलो, द बस इज ऑलरेडी कमिंग. आई होप टू फाइंड अ गुड सीट. That's out. Dot dot dot. Sunday, what was that bad feeling? Sunday, it sounds like mom. It sounded like mom. Sunday, oh, the bus is almost here. तो अब हमसे पूछा जा रहा है और हमने पहले नो किया था और वापस मॉम की तरफ भागे थे हम, ताकि हम देख सकें कि क्या हुआ था. और वाकई मुझे समझ नहीं आई कि क्या हुआ था. प्लेट टूटी और वो रो रही थी बेड के नीचे और कह रही है सॉरी संडे. और व्हाट, आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड. तो हम नो करेंगे. ओह सॉरी, गेट ऑन द बस. यस करेंगे और चलो देखते हैं आगे क्या होता है. आई होप मॉम इज वेल. I hope that too, क्योंकि वो बिल्कुल भी well नहीं थी. She smiled me when saying goodbye, but still I can't stop feeling restless. I must be overthinking. Come on, Cindy, calm down. Dot dot dot. How uncomfortable not knowing anyone. I'll try to think of something happy. Oh, wow, the traffic was horrible. This is bad. The class is about to start. Sunday breaks into a run before the front door slams in his face. I didn't want to be late for the first day of class, however, कैसे सर जुड़े हुए हैं. चलो, question mark वाली ने कहा. Question marks. What a hard head you have. This happens to me for getting off on the wrong bus stop. Question marks. You should have watched where you're walking. Excuse me, are you all right? Sunday, let me help you pack up your things. Question marks. It's the least you can do. Look, they already closed the door because of you. Sunday, you must be sorry, my clumsiness. I must be sorry, you must be sorry. अच्छा, I'll make it up to you with an ice cream on the way out. What do you think? Question marks. Yes, of course. As if we were going to meet at the exit. You're probably hiding from me. Sunday. Who knows? Maybe we'll be in the same room. Haha. Question marks. Now that you mention it, are you in the 10th grade? Yes, from section A. Okay. Question marks. Wow. Well, if you were right, we were going to meet anyway. Sunday. So, will you accept my ice cream on the way out or not? Question marks. Since I accept it. What's your name, by the way? I don't want to call you the boy who has a very hard head. Sunday. I'm Sunday, as the name of the favorite day of many. Question marks. I agree with you on that. Nice to meet you, Sunday. अरे नाम तो पूछ लो. Question marks ही बोलती रहूंगी क्या मैं? Let me introduce myself. I am Winter. Wow, I like the name Winter. Like the polar bear station. Polar bear? It was a joke. Laugh at least. Sunday. Just बोलने पे laugh कर रही है. Winter. Better shut up. Sunday. ... Cold as winter. Look, oh, Winter. Look, they already opened the door again for the tardies? What? Let's go to class. Sunday. Sure. I'm sure we'll get along this year, Winter. Winter. Yeah, maybe. You're the first person I have met here. Sunday. Wait, you're new too? Winter. Are you too? मतलब दोनों ही new हैं यार. In class. Ring ring. Bell बज गई है. Sunday. What a break finally. Winter. How come we ended up sitting together? Sunday. They were the only free spaces so. Winter. Yes, of course I know. Sunday. Let's go to the dining room for a snack. Winter. Okay. Winter. You're the only one I know, unfortunately. Sunday. Hey. In the dining room. Sunday. And what did you bring for a snack, Winter? Well, some breads with ham. Cough, cough. Winter. Oh, I also have to take my pills. Are you sick? Winter. It's none of your business. Sunday. Well, look, the girl must also be new. She's eating alone. Shall we invite her to eat with us? Winter. No. Sunday. Did you think of it that quickly? Winter. I don't feel like meeting someone else. I've had enough for today putting up with you. Winter. Besides, she's almost finished her snack. Better tomorrow. Sunday. ... Yeah, what? Winter. Hey, Sunday. 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 Sorry. I won't do it again. Winter. Hey, Sunday. What happened? Sunday. Sunday. ... क्या हो गया? Sunday. Sorry. Sunday. You sounded like my father. I felt terrified, afraid. Oh. Winter. Are you okay now? Sunday. Yes, I calmed down now. Sorry, I must have looked stupid. Winter. ... Sunday. So, as I said, tomorrow we invite her. Winter. Yes, sure. Let's concentrate on eating because snack time is about to end. Sunday. Oh, you're right. At the end of the class, ring ring. Bell फिर से बज चुकी है. Sunday. See you tomorrow, Winter. It was a pleasure meeting you despite the way we meet. Winter. Bye, Sunday. If my head is swollen tomorrow, it will be from the head you give me. Bye. Winter ने कहा. Okay, Sunday. Hey, Winter. Do you also take the bus at that location? Winter. Won't you tell me that you too? Sunday. Well, Winter. Bah, let's go together then. Winter. Now we just need to live in the same house. Sunday भी हंस रहा है. अच्छा. Winter. At least it's okay for us to get back together. They say that this is a sad town. Many people end up committing, in strange ways. Sunday. Why is that? Winter. I don't know. That's what they told me when I came here. Winter. So thanks for distracting me all day, son. Son. Oh, Winter. My stop is next. Winter. See you tomorrow. Sunday. Sure. See you tomorrow, Winter. Take care. Sunday. Dot dot dot. There are still a few stops to get home. Sunday. Let's listen to some music for a while. Oh no, I forgot to charge it. हमेशा चार्ज खत्म होता है पहले. Dot dot dot. Your existence is meaningless. भाई मुझे ना प्रिपेयर रहना पड़ेगा इस गेम के लिए एकदम सी जोर से, मतलब शाउट वगैरह और सब कुछ. अच्छा Sunday. Dot dot dot. Nobody really loves you. Just sleep. Why try? Sunday. Dot dot dot. Did yeah, deep down you're just a burden. Sunday. Dot dot dot. Yeah, you're going or only be a drag or no. Sunday. ये सब क्या है? मैं तो पढ़ भी नहीं सकती, पीछे लिखा हुआ है. Oh, what are those voices? Question marks. No, that's not true. Shut up now. They love me, I'm sure. Sunday. That voice, mother? It's the sound of the morning. Monday. Ah. Sunday. Mom, I have to go home quickly. अरे तो जाओ ना. अरे ये आफ्टरनून से रात हो गई. ठीक, देखते हैं. आफ्टरनून ही मेरे ख्याल से. आगे जा रही थी. Sunday. Mom. Monday. Welcome home, son. Welcome home. Sunday. Mom. Sunday. What happened? You totally sniff. Sniff. What happened to you, mommy? Okay. अब हम आगे खेलेंगे लिमिनल स्टेरवे, और अभी के लिए फिर इतना ही मेरे ख्याल से. तो आज के लिए बस इतना ही. आई होप यू एंजॉयड द वीडियो. और अगर आपने वीडियो एंजॉय की है तो मेक श्योर कि आप इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, क्योंकि इस चैनल पे और भी बहुत सारी गेमिंग वीडियोस आने वाली हैं, मज़ेदार वो भी, जिसमें आपको बहुत मज़ा आने वाला है. और आप लाइक करें, कमेंट करें, और इस चैनल को शेयर करें, वीडियोस शेयर करें, शॉर्ट्स शेयर करें, जो जो मैं मतलब चलाती हूँ सब शेयर कर दें, ताकि और भी मज़ा आए. ओके. अब आपको मैं खुशी दे रही हूँ तो फिर आपको भी देनी चाहिए ना. सो सब्सक्राइब. और तब तक लिए अल्लाह हाफ़िज़. अस्सलाम.